Welcome to the Walton Pi. Today we're going to go through a problem that might show up on a calculus test. So let's say that we have the function f of x is equal to 4x to the 2 cosine of x. And the question asks, what is f prime of x? How would we solve this? How would we go about figuring out this problem? Well, one way we can do this is try and rewrite this to get rid of the ugliness that's causing us problems, because we have x raised to something that's not a constant. We don't know how to do that. So what we're going to have to do is let's rewrite this first. So we rewrite this as y is equal to 4x to the 2 cosine x. And now we're going to try and get rid of that exponent on the x. Now how can we do that? Well, one way is to take a logarithm of both sides. So when we do that, we can get something like natural log of y is the natural log of 4x to the 2 cosine x. That's going to be ln of y is equal to 2 cosine x times ln of 4x. And now we've successfully completely gotten rid of those weird exponents on the x's. So what we're going to be doing is this is what we then take the derivative of. So the derivative of all of this with respect to x. Well, what's the derivative of the natural log of y? Well, that's going to be a 1 over y, but then multiplied by the derivative of y with respect to x. So that's going to be a y prime. And that's equal to the derivative of the other side. Well, this is where we're going to use the product rule. So first times the derivative of the second, 2 cosine x times derivative of the natural log of 4x. That's going to be a 1 over 4x multiplied by the derivative of 4x, which is a 4. And then we add to that derivative of the first times the second. Derivative of cosine is negative sine, so we have a minus 2 sine x multiplied by the ln of 4x. And now we're going to piece all of this together, and we need to solve for y prime. So we get y prime is equal to, let's see, this 4 and that 4 can cancel, so we get a 2 cosine x over x minus 2 sine x ln of 4x. So we have all of that all multiplied by y, because we needed to get rid of this piece on that side, so we multiplied it over. But this is not only in terms of x's. We need this only with x's. So we're going to replace y with what y was equal to, the 4x to the 2 cosine x. So that means that we get y prime is 2 cosine x divided by x minus 2 sine x times ln of 4x times 4x to the 2 cosine x. And that is going to be what f prime of x is equal to. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and good luck with all of your math.